That was just the intro for the movie, but before I play the full one, I just want to give you a few words for the context. Back in December, I flew to Sydney once again. I love Sydney, beautiful city. I flew back to Sydney to do a little video project for the company that I work with. Now, I used the content from the project video to create my own private video for YouTube as well. This allows me to keep making stuff, and it's the same style and the same tone of vibe that I like to create for myself anyway. That's what this is. Back to Sydney, round 3, create a video about the lifestyle of the people there and the city, and it's just way too much good to not have something. Roll the tape, hope you enjoy, and once again, let me know if you don't. Preferably let me know if you do, and I'll see you when I see you.
Welcome to Tiki Night! Team, are you ready? 3, 2, 1!
Yeah.